Hi guys, hi wonderful people, hi people, igboticnono. Welcome to this channel. Of course, my name is igboticnono and you're welcome to this lovely Igbo channel where we learn how to speak Igbo. Ndi Igbo, abum onye Igbo. I am Igbo, an Igbo person. Abum onye Igbo. I am Igbo person. Abum onye Igbo. I am an Igbo person. And in today's video, we're going to be learning alphabets and numbers. You know Igbo people now, we love money. If you're not talking money, you're talking nonsense. So if you're not talking money, you're talking nonsense. We like to count in millions, dollars, trillions, pounds, you know, anything you can call it, you know, billions. You know, Igbo people now, we strive to conquer, we dominate, we enter, we dominate, we enter, we rule. And today we're going to be counting numbers. Ego, money, ego. So we're learning alphabets and numbers in today's video. And without further ado, let's dive into it. So we'll be counting 1 to 1 billion. Yes, 1 to 1 billion. 30 billion in my account, yo. Versace and Gucci on my head, you baby. No do gara gara for me. No do serere. Guys, so we'll be counting from 1 to 1 billion. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asado, itolu, iri. This is number 1. This is 1 to 10. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, itolu, iri. 1, otu. 2, abo. 3, ato. 4, ano. 5, ise. 6, isi. 7, asa. 8, asato. 9, itolu. 10, iri. You did wonderfully well. You're going to see the magic in counting in Igbo right now, because funny enough, we're going to repeat everything now going forward. So what I'm trying to say is this number 1, this 1 to 10 is what you just need to count in Igbo from 1 to 1 billion, because we'll still be coming back to this number 1 to 10. So what do I mean? This number 1 to 10, learn it very well, because rhetorically we are repeating them again. I'm going to count 11 to 20. 11 to 20. See the magic. 11, irina otu. Remember I said 1 is otu. Now 11 is 1. Irina otu. And 12 is 1 and 2, right? We're going back to go and pick that 2, which is abo. Iri na abo. Remember 10 is iri and 2 is abo. So 12 now is 1 and 2, and it is iri na abo. Na is and. So 1 and 2. That is 12. Iri na abo. So 11 iri na otu. 12 iri na abo. 13 iri na ato. 14 iri na ano. 15 iri na ise. 16 iri na isi. 17 iri na asa. 18 iri na asato. 19 iri na itolu. 20 iri abo. Iri abo. You will notice something here now. You will notice that there is no na. Remember I said na. Na is like and. Is the word that is joining the numbers together. Irina. Irina abo. That's 12. Irina utu. That's 11. Now it's 20. It has changed to iri abo. Remember 10 was iri. Yeah. And now it's 20. It's iri abo. 10 into 2. Iri abo. So now we continue. Iri abo na otu. 21. And 22 is iri abo na abo. 23 iri abo na ato. 24 iri abo na ano. 25 iri abo na ise. 26 iri abo na isi. 27 iri abo na asa. 28 iri abo na asato. 29 iri abo na itolu. 30. Okay, what is 30? 30 is iri ato. So this is how you're going to count it, you know, continuous. That is why I said from number 1 to 10 is very important, because you repeat them, you know. This is how we're going to go to iri abo. Okay, now 30 is iri ato, is 30. And okay, let's go to 40. 40 is iri ano. 50 is iri ise. 60 is iri isi. 70 iri asa. 80 iri asato. 90 iri itolu. And 100, what is 100? 100 is nare. Nare. 100 is nare. 100 is nare. So doing 100 to 110 is like doing 11 to 20. You will see the magic right now. Let's go. Nare na otu. Nare na abo. Nare na otu. 101. 102. Nare na abo. 103. Nare na ato. 104. Nare na ano. 105. Nare na ise. 106. Nare na isi. 107. Nare na asa. 108 nare na asato. 109 nare na itolu. 110 nare na iri. So this is why I said it's just like 11 to 20. Counting is very simple. You just have to know your number 1 to 10 very seriously. That is what will help you too. So what is 1000? Puku. Puku. If you hear the sound, puku, puku, puku. That is 1000. Puku, puku, puku is 1000. 100,000 is puku nare. Puku nare. Remember, nare is 100, and 1000 is puku. So 100,000 is puku nare, and 200,000 is puku nare abo. Puku nare abo. And 1 million is nde. Nde. It sounds like the 1 million, right? Nde. Nde. 1 million is nde. And 1 billion is ijere. 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 That is 1 billion. So now we have done from 1 to 1 billion, like I said. You can see it's very simple. Yes. Just like I said, save it on your watch letter. Consistently practice this and you will be so perfect in it. Okay, so now we are done with the numbers, and we're going to alphabet. Remember, I said in this video we're learning how to do what? Count in numbers and read your alphabet. So now we're going to do our alphabet from ABCD to Z. This is primary Igbo language, and I know with this we can also advance into making sentences. Yes, so let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B. Watch my lips. Just watch my lips, please. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B. E, Q, E, Q, E, E, G, K, B, K, B, K, L, M, N, F, Y, F, Y, O, R, O, R, O, R, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. So well done, guys. So this brings me to the end of this video. We have learned the alphabet and the numbers in Igbo language. Remember, I always say save this to your watch letter and practice it. Don't watch this video and just go. Save it in your watch letter and practice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow this YouTube channel. I want to hit my suppose whatever before April this year, and I know with you guys it's achievable. When we go further in the lesson, you will see the reason why we learned the alphabet in Igbo language, because it will help in the actual making of the sentences as we advance. So do have a wonderful day. Bye.